The Elliott pile breaking method is about speed and time savings. It is about construction management, using the certainty of cost and the certainty of speed to shorten the construction program. All the preparation of the pile is done before the cages are installed, so that when it is exposed for breakdown, there remains only a few minutes' work. When the pile is excavated ready for breakdown, the only work required is a single hole drilled into it at cut-off level, about 5 minutes' work on average. A hydraulic splitter is inserted into this single hole and is activated. Within 30 seconds, the surplus is severed from the body. The surplus is lifted clear by the excavator that exposed it, by means of either Lewis pins inserted into the pile, or preferably by connecting to a lifting handle which had been inserted into the wet concrete when the pile was cast. If the cages have been placed accurately, there is no further work to be done to the pile head, and the construction of the pile cap can proceed almost immediately. This means that the time that is traditionally allowed for pile breaking can be omitted from the construction program. Because the work of drilling a single hole is exactly the same for any diameter or height of pile, the cost savings increase as the diameter and height of the pile increase. The resources needed to actually break the piles are minimal. 2 operatives will break as many piles in a day as can be exposed. The only specialist plant needed is a hydraulic splitter, and these are available for hire throughout the UK. So pile breaking has now moved from the traditional view of endless man-hours spent removing small pieces of broken concrete to what is effectively a prefabricated pile breakdown system. When the pile is exposed for removal, it is presented to the ground worker with a lifting handle installed on the top, the equivalent of an internal perforation at cut-off level, and takes no more than 5 minutes to remove. The Elliott method allows hand-arm vibration to be designed out of pile breaking, an increasingly important consideration. It shortens the construction program and can have the effect of accelerating it if prefabricated pile cap cages are used wherever possible. It is invariably cheaper than any other method of breaking. Elliott's offer a free estimating service which shows the total cost involved on any contract. The estimate divides the cost into those required for the preparation of the reinforcement cage and those that will be incurred by the contractor responsible for breaking. To obtain your free estimate or to discuss any aspect of this method, please contact Elliott's at the number shown on the cover of this CD.